Hi, I'm Callum Ryan from the agency and welcome today to 45 Oswald Street here in Allenstown. Let's take a look at what this family home has to offer.
To me, this is one of the finest homes on the market in Rockhampton at the moment. The character home is both stylish and functional, and the outdoor areas are second to none. It's perfect for your family to move in and enjoy.
I absolutely love the lifestyle and functionality this home has to offer. If our team can help you, feel free to get in touch today.